Okay, so this is a truck that we built for a gentleman out of Michigan. He brought us the truck, brought us a four-door pickup that we converted and cut into a six-door. It was a very nice project as far as he allowed us to do a lot of things with it that needed to be done. We replaced the leaf springs. We replaced all the shocks. We put airbags under the front and the rear. Rebuilt the front end. The transfer case. This truck has a brand new crate engine from Ford. It's a 7.3 diesel. It also has a brand new transmission. We put all new components on the front end. New bumper, headlights, grille, new visor. We got new wheels and tires, mud flaps. We also used our own custom running boards on this truck, which was a new one for us. We had to actually design these up for this truck. So it was kind of a unique situation that way. The box and stuff that we have in this truck came off of a donor truck that we purchased out of Tennessee. It was in really nice shape for its age. It's got all new exhaust up underneath, any components that needed to be replaced. When we got it, it had power mirrors. These mirrors were on the truck, but they didn't actually have power to them. So we actually incorporated a switch in the dash here that actually controls both sides of the mirrors. We took apart a lot of components in here and refurbished them. All new seats, as far as coverings, new floor coverings. We painted all of these pieces in this truck. A new stereo in this truck. New headliner, of course. We also recovered the door panels. This piece here used to be a tan color, and repainted this piece and kind of recover or refurbish the door panels. Being the age of this truck, it's a little bit challenging finding the pieces for it. It has all new door gaskets. Basically all of the gaskets in the truck and the cab are all been replaced. We recovered this. This is the middle row of seats. We added in a rear heat and air conditioning system, which these are the controls for that are in the back row that are an automatic climate control. You set the temperature. It pretty well takes care of whatever temperature you want it to be back there. The back seat is all recovered. And all the door panels refurbished. All the interior plastic refurbished. I guess all the glass, a lot of it was replaced with new glass. This is kind of the era when I got out of high school. I guess that was it was kind of a fun build for me. A little sad to see it leave. It's been fun. So not I would like to keep this one if it was up to me. This truck will be featured on the July 2022 cover and an article in the Motor Market magazine here in South Dakota, which is kind of special for us. So they